Automatic statement and image upload is available on YCharts to help you easily recreate prospect portfolios, client portfolios, or model strategies and generate reports faster. Simply drag a PDF, image file, or Excel sheet into the Model Portfolios tool, and YCharts will extract holdings, weight, and cost basis using AI technology. This is incredibly useful for importing data from a brokerage statement or even a screenshot, as well as various Excel outputs. Once you've reviewed the imported holdings and made any necessary tweaks, you can recreate that portfolio in YCharts with one click. Holdings data will be transformed into a portfolio. All relevant information will appear, including key stats, asset allocation, as well as additional options in the nav bar, such as holdings and attribution information. By saving time in the upload and portfolio building process, you can generate proposals and reports faster. YCharts offers out-of-the-box overview and comparison reports. Just type in the first few letters of that portfolio's name and it will appear automatically. One final click will generate a report covering that portfolio, helping to drive more relevant client and prospect conversations. Automatic statement and image reading enables smarter workflows that reduce manual effort so you can get time back in your day. For more information about this feature or to get started, reach out to your account manager or start a free trial with YCharts.